Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome guys. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a very simple ingredient that will help you to actually get rid of excessive fat. I too I'm equally trying the light ones, yeah, because I'm actually still breastfeeding. Okay, so this remedy is going to help you to flush out your colon, and it's going to help you to stay fit and stay healthy. So let me take you right into this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video. Okay guys, let's go. Okay guys, so to remove that excessive fat overnight, you're going to be needing to use this, and this is pineapple. I've actually used it before, and now I'm going to be using the remaining for this wonderful remedy. Okay, so but before I use it, I'm going to be washing it. Yeah, pineapple is actually one great ingredient that helps so much. So when you're using it, for removing fats, you are just on your way of losing all of those annoying fats. Okay, so this is actually a very simple way in which you are going to be achieving this. So I'm going to be peeling it off. And gonna be cutting it. And this is it. So we're equally gonna be making use of apple. Apple is a great remedy when kept overnight. It's going to ferment and it's going to help. Even if we're not keeping it overnight, apple is one great remedy that would help you so much to remove belly fat, alongside with other ingredients that I'm going to be showing you. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be cutting it into the bowl, the blender. And this is it. Okay guys, so the next ingredient is going to be cucumber. Now, because of the so much water that cucumber contains, it helps so much to flush out toxins in the body. It also helps to reduce belly fat. So that's why we're going to be infuting it into this drink. And then transfer it in there. Okay, so I'm gonna go blend this particular one first, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is it. This is the smoothie, and now I have to transfer it into the cup. Let's put everything. Okay guys, so we're equally going to be needing carrots. Yeah, so this is how we're going to prepare it. First of all, going to be peeling it off. Now we'll have to wash it. So I'm going to be transferring it into the blender. Okay, we're gonna be needing watermelon, yeah, and you need your watermelons to have seed. Okay, if your watermelon does not have seed, that means it is not going to be working. Okay. So I actually put my watermelon into the freezer and it got frozen. That is why it's looking like this. Okay, so it's very well blended, and this is it. So this is your belly fat drink, yeah, and this is how it looks like. Okay, and this particular one, this two is just what you need. You take this in the morning because this contains a lot of fiber, and you take this in the evening, okay, because it contains less fiber. Okay, in between you can eat a very light food, yeah, and you're good to go, guys. So you take this particular one in the evening to give you that nutrients and to help you lose fat. You take this in the morning also to help you lose a whole lot of fat. So try this out in the morning and try this out in the evening, and you are good to go, guys. You may just try it out. You are going to be loving yourself. Yeah, this particular one just in the morning is perfect for this drink, just morning drink. Okay, and you're good. All of the ingredients in here are so natural, and they are really effective, guys. So that's it. Alright guys, so that's it. Try that and let me know how it is, because it is so super duper amazing, and you are gonna be loving all of it all the way. Yeah, it's so good, guys, and you're going to be loving the taste, the smell, and the effects. So try this out and let me know how it is. And also, stay away from all of those too much of sugary stuff. Okay, that way this ingredient will work out well for you. All right, so if you do love the video, please give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share the video, and I will see you soon in my next video. And bye guys.